Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about my January 2023 earnings for YouTube. So in December I made $25.28 with 37.5k views, and in January the results are not that good, my friends. It's 14,400 views, almost 150% less views, and only $23.25, even though I posted over 121 videos, my friends. And I'm going to show you all these statistics. It's very painful, my friends. It's very painful because if you see the videos published, you will see this stat right here. Videos published, yes, 129 videos were published, my friends, and in the end I posted lots of shorts as well. This includes the shorts. So only 14,443 views. The views are less and less. Let's check the revenue for each individual performing video, my friends. So I made 2.68 on the how to create a faceless YouTube video using ChatGPT, how to embed a YouTube video on Medium 1.62, how to create YouTube custom thumbnail with Midjourney AI, and how to view Google Discover on PC 1.10. OpenAI announces the release of professional ChatGPT. So my friends, what you can learn from this is maybe create quality content, and that is all what is matters, my friends. And stick to a specific niche. Don't mix and match. These are the two things that I would be recommending you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below